For our final performance, please welcome Grade 3B, who, like all of us, have had such a great year. It's fitting that their song is called Time of Our Lives.